Mr. Vuljanić.
Thank you, President. I would first like to thank Mr. Tannock on a friendly and honest report. When I say honest, I mean it covers most of the basic features that and basic issues that have to be said about Montenegro. And when I say friendly, I mean it tries to help and encourage the country, which is really, in my opinion, the function of a good report. The idea is not to assess and evaluate the country, but to help them. Well, Montenegro is a small country of only 600,000 inhabitants, but quite complex one. Complex in view of national composition of the inhabitants, complex in view of various religions present there, and particularly complex in view of historical background. However, this complexity is not the source of the main problems occurring in the country. They are not nationalistic, they are not religious or anything of the sort. Montenegro has been under the rule of the same political party since 1990s. In the country of a little more than 500,000 people, this means the rule of a closed circle of people, almost a family, and unavoidably results in high level of corruption, in the infiltration of organized crime into the ranks of governing ranks, not to say ranks of government, governing ranks, in selling most of the state property, in smuggling as an almost integral part of the national economy, in money laundering and things like that. These things are being fought against in Montenegro, that's quite true, and they are being fought against, well, rather successfully. But the main cause is partitocracy, which is one of the most distinguished diseases of transition countries. And Montenegro is not immune to this disease, as are not the other countries in Western Balkans. I think this issue should be stated quite clearly, and I'm planning to table some amendments on this point. On the other hand, there are problems which the report also mentions quite clearly. Montenegro will have to face sooner or later the point that there is practically no industry in the country. Some that existed before the 90s was almost utterly destroyed. A high level of unemployment are the things that the country will face in its negotiation journey. I completely agree with the rapporteur that the chapters 23 and 24 should be opened, because this is the area where the country has done most and will be obliged to do most in near future. Anyhow, the group supports the report. Thank you.